Welcome to the Idaho Transportation Permits System, also known as ITRPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps on how a permit service selects the carrier when ordering a permit using www.permitsforidaho.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the ITRPS user tutorial videos link. In ITRPS, a permit service user is the same as a company user with a few distinct differences. The permit service, in most cases, will not have a US DOT number. The companies that the permit service orders permits for must have a US DOT number for their permits to be self-issued. Permits ordered by a permit service for a company without a US DOT number will be submitted to ITD for review. All companies that receive a permit must have an account in ITRPS. The permit service can create an account for companies that do not already have one. To be set up as a permit service and order permits for other companies, contact the ITD Permit Office at 1-800-662-7133 to flag your account as a permit service account. Once you've called the ITD Permit Office and set up your company as a permit service, log into your permit service account by entering your username and password. Select the Remember Me on this computer checkbox for ITRPS to remember your username and password. Users must select the carrier that will actually be transporting the load when beginning a new permit. If the company has not been set up in ITRPS, users must first set up the new company in order to issue a permit. To start a new permit, click the New Permit button. Then select the I know which permit I need option. If you do not know which permit the company needs, choose the I need help choosing the permit option to display a series of questions to help you determine which permit is needed. Please note that if a carrier is not selected, the permit will be issued in the name of the permit service and cannot be transferred. Carrier lookup can be accomplished using either the company name or the US DOT number. If the US DOT number is known, select US DOT number from the search by drop-down list and enter the US DOT number in the field. If the US DOT number is unknown, select company name from the search by drop-down list and enter the company name in the field. The search function will automatically find results matching your entry as you type the first few characters. Click on the company name or US DOT number hyperlink in the populated list. Please note if the matching carrier is not found, you must return to the dashboard to add the carrier as a new company before proceeding. To create a new company account, click the Menu button to display the menu options. Click the New Company link and follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account for permit ordering. Once back on the Order Permit screen and after entering either the US DOT number or the company name, and selecting the hyperlink from the Records Found list, the company name and US DOT number will be displayed under the select company for which you are ordering permits. Do not proceed with the permit process until you have clicked on the company name or US DOT number hyperlink and the company name and US DOT number are displayed under the Search By drop-down list. Only then should you proceed with entering additional permit information and continuing with the permit order process. Once all information has been entered and submitted, and the permit is ready for payment, the permit service will be able to pay for the permit with a credit card. Once payment is complete, review the permit PDF to ensure all information is correct. The company name will be listed in the Permittee section, and the permit service will be listed next to the Wire Serve line at the bottom of the Permittee section. The permit will be delivered based on the selection chosen during the permit order process. This concludes the ITRPS user tutorial video on how a permit service selects a carrier when ordering a permit using ITRPS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.